Hey guys, today I'm going to build the mailplane. It's Lego 60250. It has 74 pieces and it's a 5+ set. Let's get started. It has the instructions and it has bag 1, 2, and 3. Let's get building. Now let me show you some features this set has. The mailbox can open up and there's letters in there. The propellers on the plane can spin. Then the plane can come in for a landing. These 2 mailboxes on the side of the plane can open up and deliver the mail. Then the windshield and the top can come off, and there's the mailman. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.